Welcome to Ilm Ki Rida YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Today we learn about myself. My name is Dash. Write your name. Like my name is Rida. I am dash years old. Write your age. Like I am 6 years old. I am a dash girl, boy. Like I am a girl. I live in dash. Write your city, village name. Like I live in Mumbai. I study in dash class. Write your class. Like I study in first class. My school name is dash. Write your school name. My school name is Dharavi TC Municipal Urdu School number 1. I have dash sisters. Write number of your sisters. Like I have 2 sisters. I have dash brothers. Write number of your brothers. Like I have 2 brothers. I love my family and respect elders.